How to create a website for selling products. Hello everyone, I'm Jason, and in this tutorial I'll be walking you through how to create a website to sell products, whether that be physical products, digital products, or someone else's products. For example, if you want to learn how to create a dropshipping website, I will be showing you how to do that. And dropshipping, it would basically be you going onto AliExpress or any other platform, finding products that you think customers would like, then uploading them onto your website. And for this example, we'll be using Shopify. So uploading them onto Shopify, then customers going onto your store, seeing the products, making a purchase. After they have made a purchase, from there you would use the money that they used to pay for the item to actually purchase the item on AliExpress, and you would keep a percentage and you would ship the item to them. So that is in a nutshell what dropshipping is. So to create a website like this, all you would need to do is go onto shopify.com. Once on shopify.com, you can quickly sign up. I won't drag out this video showing you how to sign up, as it's quite straightforward. All you would need is your email address, and you're going to answer some basic questions. Once you are finished signing up, you will be redirected to this dashboard, and all you'll need to do now, if you're adding physical products, you could simply go over to the left hand menu option, tap on products, then you could tap on add your products. So from here you'll be able to add the name of the product that you want to sell, and you can also add photos of the product. So if you are selling your own products, you would simply add that information right here. If you are not selling your own products and you are planning to do drop shipping, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option again, and right where you see add apps, you're going to tap right there. After selecting add apps, I want you to scroll down and you're going to tap right where you see Shopify App Store. Once on Shopify App Store, I want you to tap in the search bar at the top right here, and you are going to select Finding Products. After you have selected Finding Products, you are going to be redirected to this page. Let me do it real quick. So once you have selected Finding Products, you are going to be redirected to this page. And all I want you to do, right where you see Dizers, you are going to select that. And if you don't see Dizers, I would recommend that you type in Dizers. And the reason why I recommend Dizer is not only does it offer a free plan, but if you want to try more features, you could go onto their 14-day free trial. So by scrolling down, you can see right here, it is completely free to install, and you'll be able to bulk order and all of that. And if you want to try their advanced plan, you can do that. Or if you want to try their pro plan, you can also do that. So what we're going to do next is tap on add app. After we have tapped on add app, we'll be redirected to a new page. Then you are going to tap on install app in the top right hand corner. This page you can tap on create an account for you. But since I've already signed up, I'll just sign in real quick. Once you are finished with the sign up process, you will be redirected to the Dizer dashboard. And from here you can enter a URL, or you can enter the specific product that you would like to search for. So let's say, for example, I want to create a store selling bracelets. So I'm going to type in bracelets in the search bar. Then I'm going to tap on enter. After tapping on enter, you're going to scroll down. And from here you can see the different bracelets that are right here. And let's say, for example, I would like to add this one to my store. All I would have to do is right where you see add to import, I'll simply tap on that. Then you can see go to import list to check. I would tap on that. Then it is going to redirect me to the import list. Once on my import list, all I would have to do is scroll down. Then I would simply tap on the product that I would like to push to my store. After I've tapped on the product, you will see the option push to Shopify, as you can see right here. or I could tap on the Shopify logo to push it to my store. So let me do that real quick. After I've done that, all I would need to do is scroll down, and you can see right here, let me select the store that I'm going to be pushing it to. Then I'll simply tap on push to Shopify, and you can see it is now being migrated to my Shopify store. And once you get an order, you will also come back into this platform to do your delivery. As you can see right here from the left hand menu option, you can see open orders right here. So you could tap on that, and from there you will be able to manage your store orders from right here, and you'll be able to fulfill orders as you can see right here. So this is how your dashboard will look. And also, if you want to do some tracking, you can tap on tracking right here, and you'll be able to track customers' orders as you can see right here. And if you want to learn how to create a tracking page on your Shopify store, I've done videos on how to do that, so you can simply search my channel. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option again. And from here, if you would like to add more products, all you have to do is tap on Find Suppliers. And again, you can enter another keyword that you would like to search for, or you can scroll down and select a particular product. And also, if you would like to specify where your products are shipped from, you can tap right where you see shipped from. And from there, you can select United States or France or the United Kingdom if you want. Also, to see the products that you have imported, all you have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and you could tap on import list, and from there you will see the products that you have imported thus far. And if I were to go back into my Shopify store now, so let me go back into Shopify, and then if I were to select products again in the top left hand menu option, you can see that the bracelet has been added, as you can see right here. Now to edit this, all I would need to do is tap right where you see the name. After you have tapped on the name right here, you will be able to edit the product page. So you can make any changes you want. Let's say you would like to change the title, you can do that. If you would like to change the description, you can also do that. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to edit the price if you want. So you can see that at the moment it is for 89 cents. So you can adjust the price if you want. So you can add. At the moment you can see that it is selling for 89 cents. But if you would like to adjust the price, all you have to do is tap right where you see edit. So tap on edit. After you have tapped on edit, from here, you will be able to change the price. So all you would need to do is scroll down. After you have scrolled down, you can adjust the price. So let's say, for example, I would like to sell it for $2. All I would have to do is put in $2 right there, then tap on save. After I have tapped on save, I could also fill in the cost price. So the cost price is 89 cents. So you can see that the profit will be $1.11. So my margin is 55%. I'm going to save that. After doing that, we can go back, and you can make any other changes you want on the product page. It is quite easy to edit Shopify product pages. Once you're finished, if you would like to view it, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap where you see more actions. After you have tapped on more actions, you are going to see a drop down menu, and from there all you would need to do now is tap on preview. And after tapping on preview, you'll be able to see how the product looks on your Shopify store. So this is it, as you can see right there. So I've now shown you how to add products on your Shopify store, and I've also shown you how to handle orders. So the only other thing to show you right now is some basic setups. So the first thing you'll need to do is go into settings. So you'll tap on settings in the bottom right hand corner. After tapping on settings, if you would like to change the store name, you can do that. And you can also scroll down, and from there you can adjust the store currency if you want. And you can also change the store address. Another thing that you'll need to do is tap on payments. After tapping on payments, from here you'll be able to activate different payment methods. So for example, I would recommend that you add PayPal method. So for example, I would recommend that you activate PayPal right here. So you're going to add your PayPal account, and you can also add other payment methods by tapping right here. After you have done that, you're going to also set up your shipping and delivery. And there are numerous videos on how to set up shipping and delivery, and it is quite straightforward. So you're going to tap on shipping and delivery, and you're going to set that up also. Once you're finished doing all of that, your store will now be active and you can now start making some sales and start earning some money. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.